Students, we are going to solve some questions from exercise 2.1. Solve the following equation. First question is x minus 2 equal to 7. Here we have to find the value of alphabet. What is the alphabet here? Here alphabet is x. Take x on the left side of equal sign. X is equal to whatever the number is there on the right side of equal sign, you write it first after the equal sign. Here that is 7. X is equal to 7 plus 2. This minus 2 we have brought to the right side of equal sign. It has become plus 2 as per transposition method. That is x is equal to 7 plus 2. So, solution or x is equal to 9. Once more, question is x minus 2 is equal to 7. We have to find out the value of x. X is equal to whatever number is there on the right side of equal sign, you write it first after the equal sign. That is x is equal to 7. Then x is equal to 7 plus 2. This minus 2 we have brought to the right side of equal sign. It has become plus 2 as per transposition method. That is x is equal to 7 plus 2. So x is equal to 9. Solution or value of x is equal to 9. Second question is y plus 3 equals 10. What do we have to find? We have to find the value of variable, that is value of y. To keep y on the left side of equal sign. Write this 10 here and bring plus 3 to the right side of equal sign. It will become minus 3. That is y is equal to 10 minus 3. Then y is equal to 7. So, value of y is 7. Let us solve question number 3. 6 is equal to z plus 2. Here we have to find the value of z. Take 6 here and bring plus 2 to the left side of equal sign. It will become minus 2. That is 6 minus 2 equals z. 4 is equal to z. Z is equal to 4. So, the value of z is 4. Fourth question is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Here we have to find the value of x. X is equal to, take 17 by 7 here. This is plus 3 by 7. It will become minus 3 by 7 to the right side of equal sign. That is x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Here denominators are same, so we have to take one denominator as the LCM. That is 7 as the LCM. Here x is equal to, then numerator 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 by 7. That is x is equal to 17 by 3 is equal to 14. Then 14 by 7 x is equal to 2. So value of x is equal to 2. Question number 5. 6x is equal to 12. Here we have to find out the value of x. What is 6x means? 6x means 6 into x. That is 6 into x is equal to 12. We know that in left side of equal sign, multiplication sign is there. It will become right side division. That is x is equal to 12 divided by 6. That is x is equal to 12 by 6 is equal to 2. So, the value of x is 2. Once more, our question is 6x is equal to 12. Here 6x means 6 into x. 6 into x is equal to 12. Left side of equal sign, multiplication sign is there. So it will become right side division. That is x is equal to 12 divided by 6. Then x is equal to 12 by 6 is equal to 2. So value of x is 2. Sixth question is t by 5 is equal to 10. Here division part is there. Right side it will become multiplication. That is t is equal to 5 into 10. T is equal to 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Value of t is equal to 50. Question is 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Here division part is there. In right side of equal sign it will become multiplication. That is 2x is equal to 18 into 3. 2x is equal to 54. Here multiplication part is there. Right side it will become division. That is x is equal to 54 by 2. That is x is equal to 27. So value of x is 27. Eighth question is 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. Here division part is there. So left side it will become multiplication. That is 1.6 into 1.5 is equal to y. After multiplying 1.6 and 1.5 we will get 2.4. 2.4 is equal to y. That is y is equal to 2.4. So value of y is 2.4. 10th question is 14y minus 8 equal to 13. That is 14y is equal to, this is minus 8. In right side it will become plus 8. That is 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. 14y is equal to 13 plus 8 equals 21. That is 14y is equal to 21. Here is multiplication part is there. Right side it will become division. So y is equal to 21 by 14. That is equal to, after cutting it will become 3 by 2. Y is equal to 3 by 2. So value of y is 3 by 2. 12th question is x by 3 plus 1 equals 7 by 15. S by 3 take it in left side of equal sign. Plus 1 will become right side minus 1. That is s by 3 equals 7 by 15 minus 1 by 1. Here denominator is not there. So denominator we can take it as 1. Then taking LCM 15 and 1. LCM of 15 and 1 is 15. That is s by 3 is equal to 15 as LCM. 1 into 15 15. 1 into 7 7. Here 1 into 15 15. 1 into 15 15. So s by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 by 15. S by 3 is equal to, one numerator negative and positive numbers are there. So subtract the smaller number from bigger number and put the sign of bigger number. That is minus 8. S by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. X is equal to minus 8 by 15. Here division sign is there. Right side it will become multiplication. So x is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. Then cancel this 15 and 3 with 3. That is, it will become x is equal to minus 8 by 5 into 1. X is equal to minus 8 by 5. Value of x is minus 8 by 5. Students, I hope you understood what I have explained in this video.
You have